How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So here I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here let's start by opening a browser, then open Google Maps in your browser and wait for it to load. And here go to the search and type the United States, and then wait for it to load. And here let's zoom in on the country. Here let's zoom in and let's choose a state or a city that we are going to cover or we are going to concentrate on. So here, for example, let's choose Colorado, for example, in here, and let's choose a place in Colorado. Let's choose Denver in here. Let's zoom in on Denver and let's go to the search again. And here, before I search for the local businesses in the area, I'm going to show you the main three services that we are going to offer to the clients or the business owners. So the first service is the website creation, and the second one is the bad reviews removing. So we're going to search their profiles in Google Maps and see if there is any 1-star review or 2-star reviews. We're going to remove that for them. And the third service we are going to offer is the social media management. So here let's start by choosing a type of small business like hair salons, for example, and let's see all of the hair salons in the area. So let's wait for it to load. So here you can see a lot of profiles of hair salons, and here I'm going to show you how you can choose the perfect prospect to reach out to between these profiles. So make sure to always check the profile if there is a sponsored rating in it, and also if they have more than 150 reviews, those profiles, avoid them because there is low possibility that they would answer to our reach, to our messages or our calls. Even if they answer, you will find out that they already have someone managing those services that we want to offer to them. So the perfect examples or the perfect profiles that you can reach out to is the ones like this Sola Salon Studios, 130 reviews, no sponsored rating in them. So let's click on this profile, and here let's scroll down. Here you can see their website. Let's check their website to see if it's new or if it's old. If it's old, we can offer to renew this, to make renovations to their website. If not, we can just let it be. So here it seems like an up-to-date website to me. As you can see here, you can see their staff, their salon directory at Southlands, and here you can book an appointment, and here you can see the nearby Sola locations, and also in here you can see the testimonials, their social media accounts. So here this is an up-to-date website. So let's close the website and let's go back to see if we can offer them the second service, which is removing the bad reviews from their profile. So here let's scroll down, and here as you can see they have some 1-star reviews and a lot of 5-star reviews and some 4-star reviews. So let's scroll down in order to find that 1-star review, and that's what we are going to use in order to convince the business owners to purchase our service. So here let's scroll down until we find the 1-star review, which is this one. This is one of the worst haircuts I ever had. They cut a bob in my hair and left me with long layers. I'm going, I'm going to lose 5 inches of hair to fix this. This is a horrible job. This is not fixable. So this is a very bad review from a local guide, and that's giving bad reputation vibes and bad stuff vibes as well. And it's from 3 years ago, and there is no answer whatsoever from the staff or the owners of the studio. So you can take a screenshot of this review and then go to their Instagram or the Facebook, send them a message talking about our services and how our services are going to benefit them from enhancing their reputation and from getting more clients and removing the bad reputation that they have in the market, also eventually getting more money. So here let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review. The more bad reviews you can find, the easiest it will be to land this client or to make them your client. So here we have another bad review. 1 star. I visited Hairapay by Amy and did not have a great experience. I was part of a bridal shower that was scheduled to get curls done. We were overcharged for a simple service that took 10 minutes. The curls came apart by the time I walked out the door. I paid $80 for someone to use a curling iron and use no products to tame the fly away. I had the rest of the girls in the bridal party had to redo their hair after the hair session at Hairapay because it was unflattering and not worthy for wedding photos. I would recommend someone with wavy curly hair to go somewhere else, but if not, know that you will have to wash and straighten your own hair before going. So this is another bad review from this person, and it's from 4 years ago. And by scrolling down we'll be able to see another bad review, and it's just from 7 months ago, and also it's from a local guide, which gives more bad reputation to the business. What's the point of calling if nobody picks up the phone? They just direct you to go online. Seriously, garbage service. So here they have a lot of bad reviews that we can use in order to make them our client. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill. You will just get these business owner to pay you $100 or $200 for your services. Then you will go to Fiverr.com. It's a freelancing website or platform where you can hire freelancers worldwide in order to do or to deliver these services for only $25, $30, and you can keep the rest in your pocket. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.